I told Jenny that I was really tempted to start quoting The Princess Bride. Okay, now if you could join right hands together. Braden Sean Bracken and Courtney McKell Fuller, you have taken one another by the right hand in token of the covenants you will now enter into in the presence of God and these witnesses. Braden Sean Bracken, do you take Courtney McKell Fuller as your lawfully wedded wife, and do you, of your own free will and choice, covenant as her companion and lawfully wedded husband, that you will cleave unto her and none else, that you will observe all the laws, covenants, and obligations pertaining to the holy state of matrimony, and that you will love, honor, and cherish her as long as you both shall live? Courtney McKell Fuller, do you take Braden Sean Bracken as your lawfully wedded husband, and do you, of your own free will and choice, covenant as his companion and lawfully wedded wife, that you will cleave unto him and none else, that you will observe all the laws, covenants, and obligations pertaining to the holy state of matrimony, and that you will love, honor, and cherish him as long as you both shall live? By virtue of the legal authority vested in me as an elder of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, I pronounce you, Braden Sean Bracken and Courtney McKell Fuller, husband and wife, legally and lawfully wedded for the period of your mortal lives. May God bless your union with joy in your posterity and a long life of happiness together. And may He enable you to keep sacred the covenants you have made. These blessings I invoke upon you in the name of the Lord Jesus Christ. Amen. You may kiss each other as husband and wife.
Woo! Woo!
Let's get family, like this main family you want in the pictures, and we'll go over against that.
Will you round up family pictures?
Hey, come over this way. We're gonna get
Let's see the rings real fast. Let's see the rings real fast.
this side.
Oh. Your hands are so dry, Braden.
I know.
Yeah, Grandpa, you should take it home. I should. You should. Over to the
She has to be mine.
Hi.
Hi.
He made rings. Why?
No way.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Abby.
It's just the part is over. I'm a married. Hi, I've been bawling the whole time.
Did you tell Courtney what you did with the card container?
So what? Oh yeah, get a reaction.
Where is it? Right here?
Look in there.
Yeah! That's hilarious. Don't say that.
What's inside it?
Brayden! Ooh, that's nice. Soft. Feet really nice.
I'm gonna cut it too small.
It's fine. It'll be fine. It'll work out. You got so quiet. It's holding. Don't. I swear.
I'm not
Don't
gonna.
you
No, I'm
dare.
not gonna. I'm not gonna.
I will kill you. Don't do it. I will kill you.
I'm not gonna.
Yes, divorce time right now. Give it to me. Feed her. She doesn't take it. I can't feed you.
I'm not gonna.
You're gonna do it. I don't trust you.
If you don't do it, I'll be so mad.
No. Really?
Smush it! Smush it!
It's like it's poison or something.
I haven't swallowed my last bite. Stop it.
I'm not. Brayden, I'll give you $50 in the money.
$50 isn't worth the pain after.
It's not worth it.
I'm not doing it.
She looks great, she tells she looks great. Fine, she's feeling kind of tipsy, she's looking around and
Hey, do you want to drop it again? Hey, Courtney, drop it. Oh, I missed it.
It started with a heartbeat.